Coding, it's a craft. Developers sculpt logic from pure thought. They build entire worlds with lines of text. Their tools have always been vital, from simple text editors to powerful IDEs. Now, a new contender steps onto this stage. It's called Cursor. This is not merely another editor, it represents a revolutionary leap. Cursor is built upon the familiar structure of VS Code, but it adds something transformative: artificial intelligence, a future where AI is an indispensable partner in programming. Let us delve into Cursor's core offering, its AI-powered inline help. Imagine typing a simple comment into your editor describing a function you require, and then the necessary code appears. It's sophisticated AI, working silently in the background, analyzing your needs, offering suggestions that make perfect sense, tailored to your specific context. Cursor's AI understands the surrounding code, ensuring compatibility. It grasps the intent behind your words, interpreting your comments accurately. It can generate complex snippets of logic or even entire functions, saving you from repetitive tasks. This saves an incalculable amount of time, allowing you to focus on more critical aspects of your project. Consider the task of refactoring code, which can be tedious and time-consuming. With Cursor, you can highlight a section of code, then instruct the AI with a clear command, simplifying the process. The AI analyzes your request and proposes changes, ensuring they align with your coding standards. This seamless inline assistance reduces cognitive load, making coding more efficient. Embedded directly within the coding environment, Cursor's AI is your silent partner in development. Beyond inline suggestions, Cursor offers more: a powerful integrated chat feature. It lives within your editor. Understanding your project's specific details, you can ask it almost anything. Explain this block of code. Or, why am I getting this error? The chat functionality is versatile and intuitive. It can help you draft essential documentation, suggest alternative approaches to problems. And then there's debugging. Cursor's AI extends deeply into debugging. It can help you interpret cryptic error messages, suggest potential fixes, transform debugging into a guided, intelligent exploration. A glimpse into the future: coding with Cursor in action. Imagine building a new feature for a web application. The process can be daunting, but with Cursor it becomes a seamless experience. You open Cursor and type a simple comment / create a React component for displaying a user profile. Instantly, Cursor gets to work. Cursor suggests a basic structure with imports, a function definition, and a simple return statement. It's like having a coding assistant right at your fingertips. You accept, and the foundation is laid almost instantly. The speed and efficiency are truly remarkable. Now, your component needs to fetch user data from a remote API endpoint. This is where Cursor's capabilities shine even brighter. You type another comment / fetch user data from the /API /user /ID endpoint. Cursor understands and gets to work again. Cursor offers a complete hook within function. It handles the call, includes error handling and state management. This ensures your application is robust and reliable. You highlight the relevant lines of code and invoke Cursor's AI with a clear instruction. The AI understands your needs precisely. Your request: refactor this code to use a custom hook and add more comprehensive error reporting. Cursor takes care of the rest. Cursor presents a new version, neatly encapsulated and more resilient. The future of coding is here, and it's incredibly exciting. Cursor versus the familiar GitHub Copilot comparison. In this video, we will delve into the key differences and unique features of both tools, helping you understand which might be better suited for your development needs. Many developers are familiar with GitHub Copilot. It has become a staple in the coding community, known for its ability to assist with code completion and suggestions. It was a pioneering tool. When it first launched, it revolutionized the way developers approached coding tasks. Copilot excels at auto-completing lines of code. Its predictive capabilities can save developers a significant amount of time. It has changed many development workflows for the better. Teams can now collaborate more efficiently, with Copilot providing real-time suggestions. However, Cursor aims for a deeper integration. It's designed to be more than just a code completion tool. GitHub Copilot focuses on code generation. It's particularly strong in generating boilerplate code and repetitive tasks. Cursor expands on this functionality. It offers features that go beyond simple code suggestions. It adds a context-aware chat interface and AI-assisted debugging. This makes it a more interactive and supportive tool for developers. Copilot often feels like an advanced autocomplete system. It's great for speeding up the coding process. Cursor strives to be an intelligent, interactive environment. It's designed to understand the context of your code and provide more meaningful assistance. The AI feels more like a genuine collaborator. It's there to help you think through problems and find solutions. Copilot is excellent for rapid code generation. It's perfect for getting a lot of code written quickly. Cursor offers a deeper level of understanding and broader assistance. It's not just about writing code faster, but about writing better, more efficient code. Who benefits most? The dawn of AI-empowered development. Junior developers will find an invaluable learning tool. Cursor can explain complex code snippets and guide them through errors. It accelerates their learning curve. Experienced developers benefit from automated tasks. They can focus on high-level architecture and complex problems. The AI handles boilerplate code and speeds up refactoring. AI-curious coders can see how AI augments human skill. Cursor provides a practical experience of AI synergy. It is a compelling glimpse into the future of coding. Cursor is more than just another text editor. It is an intelligent coding companion. The future of development is here.